Welcome to the fifth module, fifth video of the second module. In this video, I am going to explain the particular integral of the type 2. First question. Solve y dash minus 4y dash plus 13y is equal to cos 2x. So, we will write the left hand side as d square minus 4d plus 13 of y is equal to cos 2x. And auxiliary equation, when we solve this, we get m is equal to 2 plus or minus 3i. Thereby, yc is given by e to the power of 2x into c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Now let us concentrate on yp. So yp part is given by cos 2x by d square minus 4d plus 13, that gives us cos 2x by 9 minus 4d. Here a is 2 and replace d square with minus a square, that is minus 4. That gives us cos 2x divided by 9 minus 4d. Now multiply and divide by the conjugate, that is 9 plus 4d. That gives us 9 plus 4d into cos 2x by 9 plus 4d into 9 minus 4d of this thing. That is, on simplification we get 81 minus 16d square, and on the numerator we get 9 cos 2x plus 4d of cos 2x. That gives us 9 cos 2x minus 8 sin 2x. So the complete solution is given by yc plus yp. Next question. y dash plus y double dash plus 9y is equal to cos 2x into cos x. That is, m square plus 9 equals to 0. Thereby we get m is equal to plus or minus 3i. And y1 is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. So that is yc. And coming to yp, we get cos x plus cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. That is cos x by d square plus 9 and cos 3x by d square plus 9. Let us call them as p1 and p2. So the p1 is given by cos x by d square plus 9, that is cos x by minus 1 square plus 9, which will be 8 into 2, that is 16. And next to p2 is given by cos 3x by 2 times of d square plus 9, which will be 1 by 2 into minus 3 square plus 9. When the denominator is 0, we have to multiply the numerator with x and denominator should be differentiated. On differentiation of the denominator, we get 2d. Therefore, x by 2 into integral of cos 3x, that will be x sin 3x divided by 12. That is the p2. Now yp is given by p1 plus p2 and y is given by yc plus yp. That gives the solution. Next question. d cube minus 1 of y is equal to 3 cos 2x. So auxiliary equation is given by m cube minus 1. There, on solving, we get the roots of this equation is 1 comma minus half plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Therefore, yc is given by c1 e power x plus e power minus x by 2 into c2 cos root 3x by 2 and c3 sin root 3x by 2. Now coming to yp part, 3 cos 2x divided by d cube minus 1. This d cube is split as d square and d, where d square is replaced with minus 4. The denominator will be minus of 4d minus 1. So we need to multiply its conjugate, that is 4d minus 1 and 4d minus 1. On simplification, we get in the denominator 16d square minus 1, and this on simplification we get 65 in the denominator. The complete solution is given by yc plus yp. Next question. d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 4 cos square x. Auxiliary equation is given by m square plus 3m plus 2. So m plus 1 into m plus 2 is 0. Thereby m is minus 1 and minus 2. Now we have 4 cos square x in the right hand side. That can be also written as cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So we can, that 2 will be cancelled with the 4. We get 2 times of 1 plus cos 2x. Let us find the particular integral for this. That gives us 2 divided by d square plus 3d plus 2 and 2 cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Let us name them as P1 and P2. And 2 is a constant which can be written as e power 0x. So e power 0x, wherever d is there, it is replaced with 0. So we get 2 by 2, that is 1. Next, coming to P2, 2 cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2, which gives us cos 2x divided by 3d minus 2. Again, on simplification, we get 4 times of minus 3 sin 2x plus cos 2x divided by minus 40. On simplification, 3 sin 2x minus cos 2x divided by 10. Thus, y is given by yc plus yp. Next question. Solve d cube y by dx cube plus 1y is equal to 65 cos of 2x plus 1. So on solving the auxiliary equation, we get the roots as minus 1 and plus or minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. That gives the yc as c1 e power minus x plus e power x by 2 c2 cos root 3 by 2 of x plus c3 sin root 3 by x, root 3 by 2 of x. And yp is nothing but cos of 2x plus 1 divided by d cube plus 1, where d cube is split as d square and d. And further d square is replaced with minus a square, that is minus 4. Which gives us in the denominator minus 4d plus 1. Again we'll multiply the conjugate, that is 1 plus 4d, and divide by 1 plus 4d. Which on simplification gives us cos of 2x plus 1 minus 8 sin of 2x plus 1. And that is the yp part. Now let us add the yc part and the yp part. Together gives us the complete solution. Thank you.